In this video, we'll be telling about how to update any applications in your Android phone. For that, first method is go to Play Store, and after going to your Play Store, search for the application which you want to update. For example, I'm searching for YouTube. When you're searching for that application, if update is available, side here you can see update option. When you're clicking on that app, you can see uninstall and update option. If you want to update this application, just click on this update option. And by going to this application also you can update this. But the thing is that in each application, update option will be in different area. So sometimes it will be difficult to find. An easy method is going to Play Store and checking for update. And one more thing is that if you are opening your Play Store, above you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button, and when you are clicking on that, here you can see one option, manage apps and devices. Just click on this option. When you are clicking on that, here you can see updates available. Click on this. When you are clicking on that, here you can see every applications that you have installed in which update is available. From this, select the application which you want to update. Side here you can see update option. Just click on update and that app will be updated automatically. Or if you want to update every applications, what you need to do is above you can see update all option. Click on update all and every applications will be updated. So this way you can easily update applications in your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.